Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 top with the Roland Garros styling. So this car features a retractable fabric roof. There's also 15-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, there's DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It comes with full service history with Howard's. The car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that has 82 horsepower. It's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.